Okay, hello students. Now today's topic is MySQL functions. In MySQL we have three types of functions. One is string type of functions, second numeric functions, and third is date and time functions. If we will talk about new string functions, string functions basically we can use for string manipulation. Like the first string function is concat. By concat, the concat function added two or more expressions together. Means through concat functions we can add two or more fields value or two or more strings. The syntax for concat function is concat your first expression, second expression, and so on. Now come to our practical part. How we can use concat function? First of all, open your database. So use APS. Check your table is there or not. So select asterisk from EMP. Now we have one table EMP with the following data. Suppose we want to add or concat e name with salary and one space with in between. So we can write select concat select concat your first field name is e name comma if you want to put some space in between write space in quotes and then write your next field name from emp. So now you can check that e name you have one error unknown column enam. It means we don't have enam field, we have ename field. So you can write again select count ename cell from emp. Now you can check all the values is in one column like Amit Kumar space 5000, Rohit Kumar space next value, and so on. You will get your answer. So basically the concat means to add two or more expressions together or two or more fields together. The next is lcase. Lcase function basically used to convert the value into lowercase. Means suppose my value in uppercase, so automatically it will convert into lowercase. Like suppose I am going to insert one value in it, insert into emp values your first value id 112 comma Rohit Kumar, your value is Rohit Kumar and salary is 2000 comma department 20. Now you can check insert into emp values 112 Rohit Kumar, then next value is amount and last value is your okay, one more value is there phone number. So you have to write phone number also 20 comma phone number is in the form of string. So you can write. Now you can check the query OK message and one row affected. Now select asterisk from EMP. Now you can check there is one value Rohit Kumar which is in uppercase. Now suppose you are going to write in lowercase, then you can write select asterisk. Now you have to convert into lowercase, then you can write select L case within bracket e name from emp. Now this already which Rohit Kumar, which is in uppercase, this L case will convert into lowercase or small case. Now next function is mid. The mid function basically used to extract value from a string or from a position. Like the syntax for mid is mid, your string or your field name, your starting point and length of a string. Starting point means from where you are going to start your string and how many character you are going to extract from this table. So now how we can use select mid, we can write e name comma 2 comma 4. It means from emp. Now it means from this list, from second character means the A is your first character, M is your second character. From second character you are going to take 4 character, means from second means 1 M, I is second, third is T and fourth one is space. So we have MIT space. The next one is 1 2 3 4 means OHIT you are going to extract from e name field. Okay, clear? The next one is sub str, or you can write sub string, both are same. We have two functions, one is sub str and one is sub string. Now in the sub str function it will extract a substring from a string. Like you can write substring, your field name, starting position and number of character which you want to extract. Now here again we are using, in practical we can use like this. You can write in place of mid you can write substr, and then from second character you are going to extract 2 characters. So now what we are getting from second character, we are getting 2, means one is second character and second one is next I. So MIOHONOHOM and so on we can get from a list.